Let's talk about breathing sounds. Breathing sounds is probably one of the most common things that parents Google. So, a lot of breathing sounds are actually normal. Your baby's airways are small, so they can sound a little noisy at times. Things I want you to pay more attention to is if your baby is working to breathe, if your baby is changing colors because of their breathing sound. That is something that needs further evaluation. If you have concerns, reach out because any type of breathing concern, regardless of whether you think it's normal or not, should be evaluated by a pediatric provider to make sure that it's not something concerning. Newborn care made simple.